Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm so happy to be back with another video. And today in this video I'm gonna sing a song, but before we head into the song, I really want to thank Yang T Imchen for all your love and support, and thank you so much for being kind to me and giving me the opportunity to sing on your channel. And also I have received so much love and support from your family members, and to all the viewers, supporters and subscribers from Yang T's family. I really want to thank all of you for being so kind and supportive, and thank you so much for your encouragement. I'm so happy, I'm so blessed, and it really means a lot to me. And today we are just a small family, but I hope and pray that one day our family will grow big. And also in this channel I come up with God related videos, songs, cover songs, and I am planning to come up with more with new things as well. So please continue supporting me and let us grow together. And today the song which I'm gonna sing is the same song which I sang on Young T's channel the other day. Since some of you have requested me to upload this on my channel, today I am singing this song once again for all of you. So now let's get started.